Today, we will learn how to pick any color from outside the Illustrator window, using the eyedropper tool. First of all, click on the restore icon on the right top of the Adobe Illustrator window. And now, select the shape you want to change the color, then, select the eyedropper tool. Now, click and hold left mouse button, and then, hit and hold the Control key on the keyboard. Now move with the eyedropper outside the Adobe Illustrator window, and pick any color you want. With this skill, you can make your own color palette so easy. If you find this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe for more.